Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the left. Next, I will put about b equals to this one. And q equals to this one. So we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to x. So first the derivative of cosine x, we have negative sine x, we have dx. So we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to y. We have only y in here, so we have sine x. This one, they don't have y, so we will have number 0 in here. We see that negative sine x is not same with positive sine x. Now we need to use about integrating factor. So we see that we have cosine x, negative sine x, positive sine x. So in this situation, I will choose about mu x in here. So that we can get about cosine x from mu x. Now we multiply both sides by mu x. We want to put dp over dx equals to dq over dy. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we will have like this. And this one we will have like this. Next, I will put this one go to the right. Sine x, we have number 2. Next, we divide both sides by mu s and cosine x. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of mu s. The integration of this one, we have negative number 2 ln of the absolute value of cosine x. So I will put negative number 2 go inside about natural log in here. And now we have mu s equals to this one. And we have 1 over cosine s squared. That means we multiply both sides by 1 over cosine s squared. Now we need to simplify. This one we have 1 over cosine x. this one we have s over cosine s square plus y sine s over cosine s square. Now let's check about this one. So we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of of b with respect to s. We have sine s over cosine s square. We have ds. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to y. So we have sine s over cosine s square. So they are exact in here because this one is same with this one. Now we need to set up the function fsy. So fsy equals to the integration of this one. So I will choose about dy in here plus 3sy. The integration of dy in this situation, we have y over cosine s. Next, we need to do first the derivative of the function of f with respect to s for the both sides. So this one, we have y sine s over cosine s square plus d over ds 3sy. And we know that this one equals to this one. So we need to simplify y sine s over cosine s square for the both sides. So we just have s over cosine s square. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will consider about this one only. So, we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have the u equals to the s. dv, we have the s over cosine s square. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to tan s. So we have u multiplied by v. So we have s tan s minus, we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration tan s ds. And tan s, we change sine s over cosine s. The integration of negative sine s over cosine s, we have positive ln of the absolute value of cosine s. And I will put about c. Now we return back to this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Now we go back to this one. We know that the integration of this one in here, that is about 3sy. So 3sy equals to this one. So I will put this one cone here. And that is equal to fsy. Fsy equals to c. And now we have the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.